We have something new about Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung is changing a couple of things in Flip 5, and one of the biggest updates is its display. And this time we have more information about the display of Flip 5 and a hands-on video of a case for Galaxy Z Flip 5 which looks amazing. This is the real case of Galaxy Z Flip 5. Flip 5 is going to come with a bigger outer display, and most prominent thing is the folder design of outer display. Surprisingly, Flip 5 this new case shows the same specs, and these are two different pieces, one for the cover display side and one for the other. Now thing to notice, we get a fingerprint scanner on the right side and the case is a hard case instead of silicone case. Also, one thing to notice, by getting this new display, the cameras are aligned different, from vertical layout on Flip 4 to horizontal on Flip 5. For the display specification, the outer display of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is 3.4 inches in size, and we are going to get a 6.7 inches in a display. This is important. How long will it last? As the batteries of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is out, and we get some special features with the batteries. Don't get me wrong, it's not the capacity, but a new pull tag, which makes them easy to repair. Also, one of the batteries is smaller than previous generation, and one of the batteries bigger than last generation. Let me explain. There will be two batteries. The larger one is here with the capacity of 2555 mAh, which is smaller than last generation, and the smaller one is out with 1040 mAh, which is bigger than last generation. The combined capacity is 3595 mAh battery of Flip 5, but the rated capacity will be 3700, just like last year. Now thing to notice, are we going to get a similar battery numbers? No, but the good news is here. We're all going to see a better battery life on the Flip 5 due to a new power efficient processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The battery of Flip 5 will give you at least 2 to 3 hours more battery life compared to last generation. What else we can expect? The charging speed will remain the same at 25 watt. A good news is the durability of the Flip 5 is improved, which we all wanted. By getting a new teardrop hinge on Flip 5, the durability is increased. As now if you fold your Flip 5, it will be flat folded and there will be no gap, which makes your phone safe from everyday dust. And for air protection, we already have IPX8 rating on Flip 5. But some of you guys are confused, are we going to get a dust certification? Obviously, no. By getting this new hinge design, Flip 5 will be thinner and lighter. The crease of Flip 5 is something we need to look at. If Samsung manages a new hinge design just like Oppo Find N2, then we have a good news because it will going to come with less visible crease, which is really good compared to Flip 4. Did you guys know that the screen protector for Galaxy Z Flip 5 is out? These are glass protector for outer display, because this time outer display is way bigger, so it needs more protection. Some also suggest we're going to get a Victus 2 on outer display, which is best so far. But you really need a glass protector for outer display for added protection. Samsung will going to launch Flip 5 early. As per internet source, Flip 5 will be out in the last week of July. Expected release date is 26th of July. And phones will hit the market between 7th to 11th of August, but you can pre-order the day it will launch. Performance of Z Flip 5 has no concerns, as it already beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which you can check in this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.